All right, so I'm in my hotel room here in Saskatoon, and I decided to bring my sewing kit that I haven't opened since 2003 when I first got it. I've never really used this sewing kit before, and knowing I couldn't really practice much sewing um, over the week, I decided to bring this kit and see if I can do anything with it during my evening here in this city in Saskatoon. So let's open this sewing kit and see what we have. So we have one of these little balls, with, one needle, I guess, two needles. So that's kind of cool. Let's see what else we have. A pair of scissors, right-handed scissors. I am left-handed. That'll work. What else do we have? We have a spare button. Oh, I might be able to sew that in there. I might be able to practice my buttons. What do I have here? More buttons and safety pins and snaps. Maybe I'll be able to sew something with that. So maybe practice sewing some buttons. What do I have here? I have needles, sort of needles. Oh, that's cool. I have a thimble, protect my thumb. I've never really used one. Whoa. But that might be prove useful. Thread, all sorts of thread, different colors of thread. That's fantastic. Let's keep going. What else do I have for thread? So much thread. Excellent. Wow, so much thread. Cool. We have this thing. I'm really not sure what this thing is. If anybody could tell me what this thing is, that would be cool. I'm not too sure. What else do I have in here? We have a pencil, a white pencil to mark, probably to mark where you want to sew, where you want to cut on a piece of fabric. So that's cool. Got one of these things. It's to pass the thread through the needle. So these are actually really cool. I didn't even know I had one of these. This will prove very useful to thread the needle. A seam ripper. Oh, I have my own seam ripper. I didn't have to borrow my wife's last week. That's really cool. I'll be able to use that from now on. And a big needle, a big thick needle, probably for for bigger thread, or I'm not too sure. And that is the content of my sewing kit. All of this stuff, I think I'll be able to do something. I brought a piece of scrap over here, so I might try to cut a couple pieces, stitch a couple pieces together, maybe try to install a button and practice threading a needle, and we'll see what happens. So here's where my adventure starts.